Loves Tech is a global competition for women startups. It's happening in 70 countries, and Pakistan is the longest partner. It's our 8th year. So it's very exciting to bring this platform to women businesses, to women startups who are particularly using technology. This year, we have a very high quality. We're getting great feedback from the participants. There are ed tech, health tech, energy tech startups that are here. They're solving pressing challenges for Pakistan. And when these startups succeed, we're going to create jobs. We're going to solve complex challenges. So Circle remains committed to growing this with the support of our partners. These are tough times for sure, and some startups are really facing challenges because there's a funding constraint also. But this is also a time for innovation, because when we have limited resources, that's when innovation happens, creativity, imagination happens. So I feel some of the ones who are resilient are going to continue. They're going to iterate, innovate, grow, and inshallah create jobs.
I think startups are having a bit of a challenging time in Pakistan right now. First is the macroeconomic situation. It's not always easy to be operating in a high-cost market where inflation is high, interest rates are high. I think internet disruptions have also added a little bit of a challenge there. But I think by and large, Pakistani founders really have the grit and the perseverance to build real businesses. And even as an investor in a lot of startups, we're advising our founders, and they're doing this themselves as well, is to just stand strong, focus on building the fundamentals of the business.
It was a very good experience. मैं यहाँ as a judge आया था She Loves Tech, और आने से पहले जो मैं समझ रहा था that पाकिस्तान में talent है, मगर to be honest with you, it was beyond my expectation. I was blown away. इतने अच्छे लोग आए, and I think the only difficult part about being a judge here was कि चूज किसको करना है, सेलेक्ट किसको करना है. इतना टैलेंट हमारे बच्चों में, इतनी यूथ में, और खवातीन खास तौर से विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर जो आई थी, जैसे उन्होंने पिच किया, इट वाज जस्ट माइंड ब्लोइंग.
We loved the entire energy that was over at She Loves Tech finale today. We have been working with all the finalists for my mentorship and training and everything from the past 2 months. So seeing that how this is all has come together in the end has been amazing experience.
So the She Loves Tech happens once a year, and this is not the first. It's the third time I've judged it. But the quality of startups that were here this time is really amazing. So She Loves Tech has clearly perfected the process of getting the most capable women startups and giving them a front stage. The startups this time were impressive because this was genuine global innovation, right? So we're not talking about using AI just as a filler because it's a buzzword. They had AI integrated into the business models. There were eco-friendly green startups, very impressive. Like there are startups here that can affect GDP within a few years.
शी लव्स टेक एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो वुमेन्स को एम्पावरमेंट करता है, उसको अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करता है. शी लव्स टेक में मैंने अप्लाई किया था एज अ स्टार्टअप फ्रॉम हैदराबाद रीजन, और वहाँ से जो है हैदराबाद रीजन से विनर सेलेक्ट हुई थी. उसके बाद आज शी लव्स टेक का फिनाले था, और उसमें माय प्रेजेंटेशन वेरी गुड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. उसके बाद वी अनाउंस्ड एज अ विनर, सो आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड.
Today I'm runner-up of the She Loves Tech, and I'm feeling so happy, and this can open the different avenue for us, and we can get the more market for our product, and this is really amazing platform where we can do the more projection of our product.
Basically, it's the second time that we are participating in She Loves Tech, and definitely it was so exciting. It's an amazing experience meeting other women entrepreneurs that are working on their projects and learning from them, gaining their experience, them talking to them. They would learn from your experience either. So there's a sense of community that is found at She Loves Tech, and it was amazing this year. The pitches were so good, the competition was so hard, and I'm so happy for all of the winners.
So I am one of the finalists of this program, which is She Loves Tech. And I think this kind of forum is very important for all the women like myself who wants to come in the technology, so that they can get the mentorship, they can get the resources, and they can get those opportunities which is very difficult for us to get a hold of.